how to use online academic Judaic studies resources. In this video, we'll look at the Orion Center for the study of the Dead Sea Scrolls. The Orion Center provides a number of useful pieces related to the Dead Sea Scrolls. You'll find an introduction to the Dead Sea Scrolls, a bibliography of some basic scholarship about the Dead Sea Scrolls, and perhaps most importantly, a searchable bibliography of relevant articles on topics related to the Dead Sea Scrolls. On the home page, you can find brief answers to a number of frequently asked questions, like who wrote the Dead Sea Scrolls, or what do the Dead Sea Scrolls say about Jesus? If you go to the Resources tab, you'll find links to sites with images of the Dead Sea Scrolls online. Also under this tab, you'll find About the Scrolls. Here you'll get a basic overview of the discovery of the scrolls, what they are, and their significance. Under the Bibliography tab, you'll find a beginner's guide to the scrolls. This includes a brief bibliography of introductory works by major scholars of the Dead Sea Scrolls, as well as some further reading. Now, if you're researching a particular topic on the Dead Sea Scrolls, you can go to Bibliography and the Bibliography Search. This will open a new page with a searchable bibliography of thousands of articles on the Dead Sea Scrolls. I would recommend increasing the number of rows to make it easier to include all of the articles that will appear on the page. Use the Search In box to select if you want to search by author, title, year, or otherwise. Selecting this will open up a new search box. We can enter our search term and click to perform the search. The relevant books and articles will appear below, including the bibliographic information for how to find them in your library catalog. On the right side of the list, you'll see a link for some of the texts that appear as full text online, either for purchase or through access through your institution. Some entries will also have an option to click for an abstract, which will give you a brief summary of the article.